What's the meaning of cloud cuckoo land? Cloud cuckoo land. Cloud cuckoo land.
Cloud cuckoo land. Cloud cuckoo land. Cloud cuckoo land means a state of unrealistic or impractical fantasies. The phrase is used to describe someone who has unrealistic expectations or is not in touch with reality. It can also refer to a situation or idea that is impossible or imaginary. In essence, it represents a state of being detached from reality and practicality, indulging in an imagined world that does not exist. It is a way of saying that something is fanciful or unrealistic, and usually carries a negative connotation.